why are you so short?
Shut up!
Ew. Do you feel better now?
Yes, I'm taller than you now.
Ew, why is your hair so short?
Look, it's talking.
Take your hair out.
No.
My hair's shorter than yours.
Yeah, I know. It's poopy.
Aww.
turn and like. Sarah, look at it. Sarah, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, so we were like playing a video game and I was like, oh my god. And she was like, what? And I was like, oh my god. And I was like, what? But I was playing and then I was like, oh my gosh, I can't catch up. And I was like, stupid mouse. I was like, oh my god. And she was like, oh, sorry, it's kind of catchy. And I was like, yeah, it's like, oh my god. And we
Oh
were
my
like,
god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Fine, I'll show you how.
Today is the perfect breeze for enchanted hair flipping. Oh, I think I think I strained something in my neck here.
You have my hair.
How could you miss that?
Like this. Oh.
Oh, you mean like this? Oh. Ow! Wow.
And this is why I did not take my hair out.
You know, I'm wearing really short shorts and it doesn't look like I'm wearing shorts. You want to see?
Shorts.
See how short my shorts are?
We go get a hot dog.
Shake my booty. Shake my booty.
Get a hot
Shake it! Chicken! Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Chicken? 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 Chicken good. Chicken good.
I'm a bee.
I'm a bumblebee. I'm a bumblebee.
Just kidding, I'm a wasp.
No, she's not. We both know she's a bumblebee. Clearly, she's a bumblebee. Hey, did you know we have a favorite song?
I'm a bee. I'm a bee.
It's not I'm a bumblebee or I'm a wasp or anything like that, okay?
I'm a grizzly corn.
Yes.
I'm a grizzly
Did you
corn.
know those jalapenos had pickle hiccups? Pickle hiccups. There's nothing worse than pickle hiccups. Oh God. Jalapenos. Why?
First, we're going to give you a sneak peek of the song. Ah, Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. She's a rich girl. Yeah. She's a rich girl. Buying off clothes. Full of clothes. You already know. She's a rich girl. Yeah, she got class. Pockets so big
She has an iPod.
She's a rich girl.
It's Pickle.
Rich girl.
With a camera.
She's a rich girl.
And we can record this. We could record us recording stuff. How do you do that?
When I met you.